so this is Pratyaksh Rastogi and welcome to my video. So I am from APJ Academy and I am the biology faculty at APJ Academy. So welcome to this video guys, and in this video we are going to analyze the NEET 2022 paper, okay, for biology. So I have taken S3 question code for reference. So let's start with our question analysis. But first of all, I want to make you familiar with all the faculties at APJ Academy. And if you want more information about us, you can visit our website, which is www.apj.app. Okay. So not wasting much more time, let's start with the session. So first of all, guys, before going ahead, I would like to inform you that you can also subscribe to our channel, which is APJ Academy NEET. Okay. So this is the topic, NEET 2022 biology paper analysis. So let's start with the question 1. So the question 1 says, in old trees, the greater part of secondary xylem is dark brown and resistant to insect attack due to. So secondary xylem में एक तो जो पार्ट होता है वो डार्क ब्राउन होता है और इंसेक्ट रेजिस्टेंट होता है, तो वो किसकी वजह से? एक तो सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स उसमें सेक्रीट होते हैं उसकी वजह से, एंड उनके ल्यूमन्स के अंदर, ओके, जो वेसल्स का ल्यूमन होता है उसके अंदर डिपोजिशन होता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज राइट. एंड डिपोजिशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स लाइक टैनिन्स एंड रेजिन इन सेंट्रल लेयर्स ऑफ स्टेम, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. ओके. डिपोजिशन ऑफ सुब्रीन एंड एरोमेटिक सब्सटेंस, नो. सो deposition of tannins, gums, resin and aromatic substance, again this is incorrect. Presence of parenchyma, functionally active xylem elements and essential oils, again this is wrong. So the answer should be A and B are correct, so answer should be third. Okay, now next we have, read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. Euchromatic is loosely packed chromatin, yes, that is right, so we have to select the correct statements. Heterochromatin is transcriptionally active, okay, and histone octamer is wrapped by negatively charged DNA in nucleosome, that is also right. Histone are rich in lysine and arginine, and a typical nucleosome consists of 400 base pairs of DNA helix. So guys, as per this, A, C and D are correct. Okay, so I will go with option 4th. Which of the following statement is not true regarding gel electrophoresis technique? The presence of, so we have to mark the incorrect statement. The presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue colored DNA bands on the gel. No, this is wrong. We do not get blue colored, but we get reddish orange. Okay. So second, third and fourth are correct. So the answer will be first option. So option first. Okay. Then we'll go with exoskeleton of arthropods is compounds of. So exoskeleton of arthropods बनता है chitin का. So answer should be first. Okay. Matched list. Now we have to do the matching between the inorganic compounds, and their functions in the plants. Okay. So if we look at the iron, okay, so iron का function क्या होता है? It activates enzyme catalase. So can you see the option first for option D? So yes, I am able to see the option 4th. Not in any other option I am able to see the first option for D. So my answer should be option 4th. So guys, in these type of questions, you do not have to just waste your time just matching all the options, but whatever you find this is correct and is uncommon in the other options, then you can go with that. Okay, so I would go with option 4th. DNA polymorphism from the basis of, okay, so DNA polymorphism जो है वो किसका basis बनाता है? So both genetic mapping and DNA fingerprinting, right? So genetic mapping का भी और DNA fingerprinting का भी. The gaseous plant growth regulator is used in plants too. So जो gaseous plant growth regulator होता है वो plants में क्यों use होता है? Help overcome apical dominance, kill dicotyledonous weeds in the field, speed up the mailing process, promote root growth and root hair formation. So the option should be 4th because it promotes root growth. Then given below are the two statements. The primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 plants is phosphoenol pyruvate and found in the mesophyll cells. Whereas the statement 2 says mesophyll cells of C4 plants lack Rubisco enzyme. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the option. So statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect, but 2 is correct. both the statements are correct and none of them is correct. So answer should be third because both the statements are true. Okay. Now, habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion and co-extinction are the cause of biodiversity loss. Okay, अगर ये सारी चीजें होंगी, overexploitation होगी, fragmentation होगी, habitat loss होगा, alien species invasion होगी, so biodiversity destruct हो जाएगी. So it will be biodiversity loss. Then production of cucumber has increased manifold in recent year. Application of which of the following phytohormones has resulted in this increased yield, as the hormone is known produce female flowers in the plants. So we all know that ethylene is the hormone which is responsible for the growth, okay, for the increased yield. So answer will be 1. Now we have the appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosome during meiosis characterized. So sites at which crossing over occurs, yes. Terminalization, no. Bivalent, no. Synaptonemal complex, no. So answer should be first option. Then we have, which of the following is not a method of ex situ conservation? So guys, ex situ conservation वो होती है जो natural habitats में रखी जाती है, जैसे आपका national parks, biological sanctuaries, you know, all of that things. So answer should be fourth. Okay, whereas cryopreservation, micropropagation, in vitro, these are in situ conservation methods. Which one of the following produces nitrogen fixing nodules on the roots of Alnus? So the answer should be Frankia. Frankia is responsible for fixing the nitrogen nodules. Which of the following statements cannot be connected to predation? Both the interactive species are negatively impacted. It is necessitated by nature to maintain ecological balance. It helps in maintaining species diversity. It might lead to extinction of a species. So आपको दिख रहा होगा अगर यहाँ पे predation है इसका मतलब एक positive में और एक negative में जानी चाहिए, right? So second, third and fourth option are obviously correct. So the incorrect statement will be option 1. So answer will be option 1. Okay. Then we have the device which can remove particulate matter present in the exhaust from the thermal power plant is. So basically the device which is responsible for removal of the exhaust is electrostatic precipitator. Okay. Now in question number 116, identify the incorrect statement related to pollination. Flowers produce foul odors to attract flies and beetles to get pollinated. Yes, this is correct. Whereas moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents. Pollination by water is quite rare. Yes, because there are less number of hydrophily among the plants. Pollination by winds is more common amongst abiotic pollination. So the incorrect statement is second, because moths and butterflies are not the major sources of pollination. Okay. In question number 117, which of the following plants does not show plasticity? So plasticity will not be shown by maize plant. Okay. So 117 का answer है second. What amount of energy is released from glucose during lactic acid formation? So the answer should be less than 7%. Okay. About 10% नहीं होगा, 10% से ऊपर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकता. So it will be less than 7%. Then girdling experiment was performed by plant physiologists to identify the plant tissue through which options are for both water and food transportation. Water is transported, osmosis is observed, and food is transported. So your answer should be food is transported, because girdling experiment is for food translocation. Okay. So 119 ka fourth answer. Which one of the following plants show vexillary estivation and diadelphous stamens? So guys, हमने पढ़ा था that vexillary estivation and diadelphous stamens are shown by Papilionaceae. So answer should be Pisum sativum. Okay. Read the following statements about the vascular bundles. So vascular bundles कौन सी statements को agree करते हैं? So in roots, xylem and phloem in vascular bundle are arranged in alternate manner. No, it is not radial, but it is conjoined. So this should not be. Radial is incorrect. Okay. When conjoined closed vascular bundle do not possess cambium. Yes, that is right. In open vascular bundle, cambium is present. Yes. Vascular bundle of dicotton stem possess endark protoxylem. Okay, and dark protoxylem, this is also right. In monocot root, usually there are more than 6 xylem bundles present. So yes, this is hexarch. Okay, so answer should be, if B, C, D and E both are all are correct, so answer should be fourth option. Then in 122, which one of the following never occurs during mitotic cell division? Pairing of homologous chromosome, coiling and condensation of chromatids, spindle fiber attached to kinetochores, movement of centriole towards opposite poles. So answer should be pairing of homologous chromosome, because pairing will always occur in meiotic cell division. Okay, so answer should be first option. Then we have, now there are two statements we have to tell incorrect and correct. So cleistogamous are those which are closed. Okay, so they are invariable autogamous, that is right. Cleistogamy is disadvantageous as there is no chance for cross pollination. So both the options are correct. So we will go with third option, that is both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Identify the correct set of statements. The leaflets are modified into pointed hard thorns in citrus and bougainvillea. Yes, that is right. Axillary buds okay, sorry, that is wrong. Axillary buds form slender and spirally coiled tendrils in cucumber and pumpkin. That is right. Stem is flattened and fleshy in opinturand and modified to perform the function of leaf. Yes. Rhizophora shows vertically upward growing roots that help to get oxygen for respiration. That is also right. Subaerially growing stems in grasses and strawberry help in vegetative propagation. That is also right. So our answer should be the first option, because B, C, D and E are correct. Okay. XO type of sex determination can be found in, so XO type of sex determination is found in grasshoppers. So answer should be first. Now hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from, so it is obtained from rhodophyceae. Okay, that is red algae. So rhodophyceae क्या होती है? Red algae. Okay. Then we have, which one of the following is not observed during apoplastic pathway? Apoplastic pathway वो होता है जिसमें cytoplasmic streaming is absent. So cytoplasmic streaming minus NT, that is absent. So first आप देखोगे it is not aided, but it इसमें लिखा है it is aided. So the incorrect option will be first. Then we have, now again we have assertion reason. So assertion is polymerase chain reaction is used in DNA amplification. Reason is the ampicillin resistant gene is used as a selective marker to check transformation in the light of above statements. Okay, so basically PCR जो है वो DNA amplification में use होती है. Yes, उसका reason क्या है? Because ampicillin resistant gene is used as a selectable marker to check transformation. So the answer should be R is not a correct explanation of the A, because R जो है वो A को अच्छे से explain नहीं कर रहा है, but both the statements are correct. So answer should be fourth option. Then we have, which one of the following is not true regarding the release of energy during ATP synthesis through chemiosmosis? Movement of protons across membranes, reduction of NADP to NADPH, breakdown of proton gradient and breakdown of electron gradient. So answer should be fourth option. Then the flowers are zygomorphic in, so the flowers are zygomorphic in mustard, gulmohar, cassia, datura and chili. Out of these, in gulmohar and cassia the flowers are zygomorphic. Zygomorphic matlab bilateral symmetry is present. Okay, bilateral symmetry. So bilateral symmetry के flowers हमें किस में मिलते हैं? हमें मिलते हैं गुलमोहर and cassia में. So answer option fourth will be correct option. Then we will have, Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants and proposed law of inheritance. Yes, that is right. 7 characters examined by Mendel in this experiment were seed shape, color, flower color, pod shape, color and pod color, flower position and stem height. Yes, that is also correct. So I'll go with option third. Both the options are correct. Then we have, what is the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid? So the net gain of ATP will be 2 ATPs. Okay. Net gain of ATPs will be 4 ATPs. I'm sorry, because 2 ATPs for one molecule will give 2 ATPs. तो यहाँ पे 2 molecules के बारे में बात करी गई है. So 2 molecules will give 4 ATPs. So answer should be third. Then we have decomposition is a process. Now you have to tell statements are correct or not. So decomposition is a process in which detritus is degraded into simpler substances by microbes. Yes, that is absolutely right. Decomposition is faster if detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. Yes, that is also right. So answer should be third option. Then we have the process of translation of mRNA to proteins began as soon as when both the subunits join together to bind with mRNA, the RNA is activated and the larger subunit of ribosome encounters RNA. The small subunit of ribosome encounters mRNA, a larger subunit of ribosome mRNA. So answer should be third option. Then we have which one of the following is incorrectly matched? Porphyra, Floridian starch, Volvox starch, Ectocarpus, fucoxanthine. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. But Allothrix mannitol, this is wrong. So incorrectly matches answer fourth. Option fourth. Given below are the two statements, okay, and there is an assertion and reason. So assertion says Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold good for the genes that are located closely on the same chromosome. So assertion is right. Closely located genes assort independently. No, this is not right. So this will be wrong answer. So our option will be first. That is A is correct, but R is not correct. Okay. Then we have which part of the fruit labeled in the given figure makes it a false fruit. So thalamus is responsible for parthenocarpy. Okay. So answer will be first. That is thalamus. Which one of the following will accelerate phosphorus cycle? So guys, phosphorus किसके अंदर होता है? ज़्यादातर rocks के अंदर होता है. अगर rocks की weathering होगी तो phosphorus cycle accelerate हो जाएगी. So answer should be first. The entire fleet of buses in Delhi were converted to CNG from diesel. In reference to this, which one of the following statements is false? It is cheaper than diesel. Yes, this is true. It cannot be adulterated like diesel. CNG burns more efficiently than diesel. Yes, the same diesel engine is used in CNG buses, making the cost of conversion low. No, the diesel engine is different, whereas the CNG engine is different. So CNG gas pump is basically CNG cylinder is put into the vehicle. So it is not correct option. So answer will be fourth option. Then what is the role of large bundle sheath cells forming around the vascular bundles in C4 plants? So what is the role of large bundle sheath cells found around the vascular bundles? So C4 plants के अंदर bundle sheath cells का काम क्या होता है? To enable plants to tolerate high temperature, to protect vascular tissue from high light intensity, to provide site for photorespiratory pathway, or to increase number of chloroplasts for the operation of Kelvin cycle. So answer will be first option because it protects the plant from high temperature effects. Then we have transposons can be used during which one of the following? So transposons can be used during gene silencing, okay, because it silences the gene. Which of the following occurs due to presence of autosome linked dominant trait? So autosome linked dominant trait is basically linked with myotonic dystrophy, whereas these threes are X linked. So autosomal linked is myotrophic dystrophy. So fourth option will be correct. Okay. Then we have, okay, now you have to match the following. So basically metacentric will be centromere in the middle forming two equal arms of chromosomes. So A ka third. Okay. Now in which option are you having A third? So you are having in third option. So third option will be correct. Read the following statements on lipid and find out correct set of statements. Lecithin found in the plasma membrane is a glycolipid. Saturated fatty acids possess one or more CC bonds. Okay, so this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Gingerly oil has lower melting point. Hence, it remains oil in winter. Yes. Then we have when fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, monoglycerides are formed. So your answer will be first option. Okay, C and D are correct. Addition of more solutes in a given solution will. So addition of more solutes in a given solution will lower the water potential. Water potential आपको पता है कि solute potential बढ़ता है सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल बढ़ता है तो वाटर पोटेंशियल कम होता है. ओके, water potential कम होता है, so it will lower the water potential. Then we have 146, which is again you have to match. So in this what you have to see is Spirogyra will be dominant haploid leafy gametophyte alternating with partially dependent multicellular sporophyte. So A should be go with fourth. Now you have to find in which option A is going with fourth. So option third. Okay, so 146. So 146. Okay, now A, just a second, dominant haploid free living gametophyte. Sorry, I am mistaken. So A should go with second. Okay, A should go with second. So A का यहाँ पे second लिख दो. Okay, then we will see for B. So B, fern dominant diploid sporophyte alternating with reduced gametophyte called prothallus. So B should be go with third. Now you can see A ka second, B ka third. So answer should be option 4. Okay. Then we have while explaining interspecific interaction, plus is used for beneficial interaction, minus is used for negative interaction, and 0 is for neutral interaction, right? So you have to find which of the following interactions can be assigned when plus is for one species and minus is for the other species. So we will go with predation. Okay, in predation one is being benefited and other is being harmed. So predation will be right, because जो predator होगा उसके साथ क्या होगा, वो benefit में होगा, और जो prey होगा which it will be in harm. Then in palindromic based sequence of DNA, which one can be cut easily by particular restriction enzyme? So it will be option 4th, because you can see it is a palindromic sequence, it can easily be cut, by the enzyme. If a geneticist use the blind approach for sequencing the whole genome of an organism, followed by assignment of function to different segments, the methodology adopted by him is called sequence annotation. Okay, then last we have the anatomy of the spring wood shows some peculiar features. Identify the correct set of statements about spring wood. So spring wood is also called as early wood. Spring season cambium produces xylem elements with narrow vessels. It is light in color. The spring wood along with autumn wood shows alternate concentric ring. So basically A will be correct, C will be correct, D will be correct, and it has lower density. E will also be correct. So option 4 will be correct for this question. Now we are coming to zoology. Okay, so zoology हम discuss करेंगे. So which of the following statements are true for spermatogenesis but do not hold for oogenesis? So it results in formation of haploid gametes. No, it is not true. Not for oogenesis. It holds for oogenesis. Differentiation for gamete occur after completion of meiosis. It is also holds. Meiosis occurs continuously in a mitotically divided stem cell population. Yes, this holds for oogenesis. It is controlled by LH and FSH. No. It is initiated at puberty. Yes. So answer should be option 3rd. Then we have, now again you have to tell statement 1 and 2 are correct or not. So fatty acids and glycerols cannot be absorbed into the blood. Specialized lymphatic capillaries called lacteals carry chylomicrons into lymphatic vessels and ultimately into the blood. So that is right. So option, both the statements are correct. So option 3 will be right. That is, both statements are correct. Then we have breeding crops with high level of vitamins and minerals or proper higher proteins, healthier fats is called biofortification. ठीक है, biofortification में ये सब हमारा आता है. So higher levels of nutrients are provided to the crops. Okay. Then we have in an E. coli strain 1 gene gets mutated and its product cannot bind the inducer molecule. If growth medium is provided with lactose, what will be the outcome? So अगर lactose उसमें हम डाल देंगे growth medium में, so Z, Y and A genes will not be translated. So this should be the answer. Then we have, which of the following is present between the adjacent bones of the vertebral column? So vertebral column के एट वर्टिब्रल कॉलम की बोन्स के बीच में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? वर्टिब्रल कॉलम की बोन्स के बीच में हाईलाइन कार्टिलेज प्रेजेंट होता है और इट इज अ कार्टिलेज. सो नाम से पता चल रहा है कार्टिलेज है ये. सो ऑप्शन फोर्थ विल बी करेक्ट. ओके, इंटरवर्टिब्रल डिस्क बोलते हैं उसे. देन स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 पढ़नी है. ऑटोइम्यून डिसऑर्डर इज अ कंडीशन वेयर बॉडी डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म रिकॉग्नाइजेस इट्स ओन सेल एज फॉरेन बॉडीज. यस, दिस इज करेक्ट. Rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where body does not attack self cells. This is incorrect. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. So in RA, body cells are attacked by the own immune cells. Okay. So option first is correct, whereas second is incorrect. Okay. So option first should be gone. At which stage of life the oogenesis process is initiated? So oogenesis process is initiated. oogenesis process is initiated in the embryonic stage itself. ठीक है, embryonic stage के अंदर oogenesis होना start हो जाता है. So option fourth will be correct. Then we have select the incorrect statement with reference to mitosis. So chromosome decondense at telophase. Splitting of centromere occurs at anaphase. All the chromosomes lie at the equator of metaphase. Spindle fibers attached to centromere of chromosomes. So it attaches to the kinetochore rather than the centromere. So option fourth is incorrect. Then we have in situ conservation refers to protect and conserve the whole ecosystem, conserve only extinct species, conserve only high risk species, conserve only endangered species. So answer should be conserve only high risk species. Then we have which of the following functions is not performed by secretions from salivary glands. So salivary glands के secretions से हमारा disaccharides का digestion नहीं होता. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का होता है, lubrication होती है oral cavity की, bacterial इसमें से 30% carbohydrates are digested और सारा saliva is slightly acidic. So it also kills bacteria, but it does not digest disaccharides, that is fats. Now again there are two statements. Osteoporosis is characterized by decreased bone mass and increased chances of fracture. That is absolutely correct. Common cause of osteoporosis is increased level of estrogen. So guys, इसमें R is not correct. Okay, so reason इसका correct नहीं है, assertion correct है. Okay. So decreased bone mass हो जाता है because of aging. Okay, so option A is correct but R is incorrect. Then we have given below are two statements. The coagulum is formed of network of threads called thrombins. Then spleen is the graveyard of erythrocytes in the light of okay, so ये हमारी second statement है and this is the first statement. Statements क्या है इसमें? Statement 1 is incorrect because यहाँ पे thrombins नहीं होता. Okay, so it is incorrect, it is correct. So answer should be option second. Then we have mycoplasma can pass through less than 1 micron filter size. Mycoplasmas are bacteria with cell wall. No, इनके अंदर cell wall नहीं होती. So this is correct, this is incorrect. So answer first will be the right answer. Tegmina in cockroach arises from. So tegmina in cockroach arises from mesothorax. याद रखना tegmina जो है वो mesothorax से arise होता है. Now we have given below are the two statements. So assertion and reason दी हुई है. All vertebrates are chordates but all chordates are not vertebrates. That is an assertion. Notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adult vertebrates. यह भी सही है but this is not the correct explanation. So इसमें हम आएगा हमारा A and R is correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Okay. Nitrogenous wastage is excreted in the form of pellet or paste by. So it is excreted by pavo, that is bird. Okay. Pavo यानी parrot. ठीक है. So parrot जो है वो nitrogenous wastage को paste की form में excrete करता है. Then we have 167. A dehydration reaction links two glucose molecules. If formula for glucose is C6H12O6, then what will be the formula for maltose? So maltose is a disaccharide. Maltose is disaccharide and disaccharide का formula होता है C12H22O11. Okay. Then regarding meiosis, which of one of the following statements is incorrect? So DNA replication occurs in S phase. No, DNA replication does not occurs in S phase of meiosis second. S phase is different. Okay. Under normal physiological conditions in human being, every 100 milliliter of oxygenated blood can deliver 4 milliliters of oxygen. याद रखना 4 milliliters oxygen deliver करता है. Then 170, the release of sperm in seminiferous tubule is spermiation. That is correct. Spermiogenesis is the process of formation of sperms from spermatogonia. That is also correct. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. In the taxonomic categories in hierarchical arrangement in ascending order, so सबसे पहले हमारा आएगा kingdom. So यहाँ से start करते हैं species, genus, family, order. So यहाँ पे order आना चाहिए, then class and phylum. So option third will be correct. Okay. Then we have identify the microorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule cyclosporin A. So इसका आंसर होगा ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरन. ये इसी की वजह से हमारी साइक्लोस्पोरिन मेडिसिन बनती है, मॉलिक्यूल बनता है. लिपिस लूप इज अ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव एंड इट इज एन नॉन मेडिकेटेड इंट्रायूटेराइन डिवाइस. ओके, सो लिपिस लूप इज इंट्रायूटेराइन डिवाइस which is non medicated. Then we have, if a length of DNA molecule is 1.1 meters, then what will be the approximate number of base pairs? So 2.2 meters की जो लेंथ होती है वो 6.6 into 10 to the power 9 बेस पेयर्स को कंटेन करती है. सो 1.1 कितने को करेगी? इसके हाफ को, दैट इज 3.3 into 10 to the power 9. सो आंसर थर्ड इज करेक्ट. Detrivorous break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is known as decomposition. Okay, so decomposition है, और we can also say fragmentation because smaller particles है. ठीक है, डिकम्पोज मतलब पूरा ही डिकम्पोज कर दिया. सो स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स है, सो वी कैन गो विथ फ्रैगमेंटेशन. सो यू कैन चूज फ्रैगमेंटेशन इन द फोर्थ ऑप्शन. ओके, देन वी हैव विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. सो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इनमें से कौन सा नहीं है? सो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इज नॉट न्यूरोग्लिया. द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू विल बी, सॉरी, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इज नॉट एडिपोज. न्यूरोग्लिया इज अ कनेक्टिव इन बिटवीन टू न्यूरॉन्स. न्यूरोग्लिया कनेक्ट्स टू न्यूरॉन्स टुगेदर. So adipose tissue is not a connective tissue. Which one of the following is a correct match for disease and its symptom? So myasthenia gravis genetic disorder, weakening of paralysis, that is right. So it is correct. Muscular dystrophy is again an autoimmune disorder, that is again correct. Arthritis, inflamed joints, and tetany, high calcium level causes rapid spasm. So fourth option is a correct match. Okay, disease का symptom का correct match होता है. ठीक है. So which of the following statements with respect to endoplasmic reticulum is incorrect? So endoplasmic reticulum का कौन सा statement correct incorrect होगा? So it will be in prokaryotes only RER is present. No, ठीक है, उसमें RER नहीं होता because membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound organelles are absent. ठीक है, so first option is correct. In gene therapy of adenosine deaminase deficiency, the patient requires periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes because genetically engineered lymphocytes are not immortal. Okay, so 179 will be having second option as correct option. Natural selection where more individuals acquire specific character value other than the mean character value leads to directional change. Restriction endonuclease recognize specific sequence to cut DNA known as palindromic nucleotide sequence. The restriction endonuclease cut the DNA a little away from the center. So both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct. Statement 1 and statement 2. Okay. Then we have if 8 Drosophila in a laboratory population of 80 died during a week, the death rate in a population is individuals per Drosophila per week is 0.1%. Obviously, अगर 8 die हो रही हैं 80 में से, so it will be 0.1%. In which of the following animal digestive tracts are additional chambers like crop and gizzard? So we have Corvus, Columba, and Chameleon. In this we have crop and gizzard. Okay. Then we have identify the asexual reproductive structure associated with penicillium. So it will be conidia spores. Asexual reproduction conidia spores से होगा. Which of the following is not the function of conducting part of respiratory system? So conducting part of respiratory system का function क्या होगा? Provide surface for diffusion of O2. Surface कौन देगा इसका? Conducting part नहीं देगा. Okay. So second option is correct option. Which one of the following statement is not true? Which one of the following statement is not true? Homology indicates common ancestry. That is true. Flippers of penguin and dolphins are pair of homologous. No, they are analogous. So this is false. So option second is correct option. Then we have which one of the following are not effects of parathyroid gland? Stimulates process of bone absorption. This is, so this is true. This is false. Calcium level in blood. Reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules. True. Decrease the absorption of calcium from digestive food. False. Increase metabolism of carbohydrates. False. So answer should be B, D and E are correct options. Okay. Select the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement के अंदर regarding synapse. So synapse आपको पता है that दो न्यूरॉन के बीच में जो synapse बनता है. So incorrect statement बतानी है. So impulse transmission across a chemical synapse is always faster than across a electrical synapse. No, electrical synapse की जो impulse होती है that is way faster from chemical synapse. So answer option second is totally incorrect. So option second is correct answer for 188. Then we have, now you have to match the following. So diaphragm is a muscle. Okay, so diaphragm. Okay, now here we have contraceptive diaphragm. So in this we will have 8-4, that is diaphragm will cover the cervix. So A के साथ 4 जाएगा. Now third and fourth में A के साथ 4 जा रहा है. उसके बाद B देखेंगे. So B है contraceptive pills, inhibition ovulation, that is also. So B के साथ यहाँ भी first है, यहाँ भी first है. Then C में यहाँ third है, यहाँ second है. So C का क्या है? Intrauterine device. Intrauterine device inhibit phagocytosis of sperm within uterus. Increase phagocytosis of sperm within uterus. So C का second होगा. So answer fourth will be correct. Option fourth will be correct. Select the incorrect statement with respect to acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is non-specific type of defense present at the time of birth. So second option is correct. Statements related to human insulin are given below. Now you have to tell the correct statement about genetically engineered insulin. So in genetically engineered insulin, prohormone is there, which is an extra stretch of the C peptide. A peptide and B peptide chains of insulin were produced separately in E. coli. Yes, that is also right. Prohormone insulin needs to be processed from converting into a mature and functional hormone. That is also right. Okay. So A, B and D are correct. Okay. Then we have, now you have to match the following. So in this, A, glycogen. So glycogen is a storage product. Okay. So A ka fourth. Then B, globulin. So globulin is an antibody. So now A ka fourth and B ka third. So it is going with option second. Which of the following is not a desirable feature of cloning vector? So for desirable feature, presence of single restriction and enzyme site is not desired. Okay. So A option is correct. 10 E. coli cells with N's DNA are incubated for medium containing N nucleotide. After 60 minutes, how many E. coli cells will have DNA totally free from N? So it will be 60 cells. Okay. Then we will have, which one of the following statements is correct? So blood moves freely from atrium to ventricle during joint diastole. No, it is not correct. Increased ventricular pressure causing closure of semilunar walls. No. The atrioventricular node generates action potential to stimulate atrial contraction. No. SA node is there. Tricuspid and bicuspid wall open due to pressure exerted by simultaneous contraction. So this is correct. So option fourth is correct option. Then the recombination frequency between genes A and C is 5, B and C is 15, B and D is 9, A and B is 20, C and D is 24 and A and D is 29. What will be the sequence of these genes in a linear chromosome? So it will be A, C, B, D. Okay. A, C, B, D will be the sequence of these genes. Then 197, which of the following is a correct statement? So correct statement is cyanobacteria is a group of autotrophic organisms classified under Monera. Cyanobacteria को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी. सो इसके अंदर इसके अंदर क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है, जिसकी वजह से ये ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन ले पाता है. देन वी हैव in a scrubber, the exhaust from the thermal plant is passed through electric wires to charge the dust particles. Particle matter cannot be removed by scrubber but can be removed by an electrostatic precipitator. So A will be incorrect. This is an incorrect statement. This is correct statement. So I will go with option second. In a colorblind female marries a man whose mother was also colorblind. What was the chances of her progeny having colorblind? So option 4, that is 50% chances are there, because XC into XX XY, sorry. So XCX XCY XCX and XCY. So आप देख रहे हो 50% progeny जो boys हैं they will be color blind. So 50% will be the answer. Okay. Then 200 है. So 200 ब्रोंकियोल्स सिलिएटेड एपिथेलियम. ब्रोंकियोल्स में सिलिएटेड एपिथेलियम होता है. गॉबलेट सेल्स में लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. सो A फोर्थ एंड B सेकेंड किस में है? इट इज इन थर्ड ऑप्शन. तो थर्ड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. So guys, I have discussed all the 100 questions of biology, including zoology and botany. If you still have any doubt, you can reach out to me over my Telegram channel, my Telegram account. So thank you so much guys for your time, and I hope and I wish that you will get very good marks in your NEET results. Don't worry, be relaxed, and yes, stay focused. So thank you so much guys, and hope you have a great day ahead. Bye bye, take care.